blizzard that tore into the Saskatoon area Monday afternoon brought stinging winds and whiteout conditions that made driving dangerous. The city recommended residents limit travel on roads and sidewalks, only heading out if it's essential. Visibility is significantly reduced. It's important to keep traffic to a minimum for emergency vehicles to get around the city safely, the city said in a news release. The city said crews will respond to ice and snow issues on priority streets as best they can during the blizzard. The wind may blow away sand and salt that we applied, so icy locations may develop as the temperature drops into the evening, the city news release said. Once visibility improves, the city said it would work to clear drifts forming in wide open areas most susceptible to the blowing snow. Outside the city, the whiteout conditions left many drivers stranded on the side of the road. By Monday evening, all highway routes in and out of the city were closed, according to Highway Hotline. Around 5:30 p.m., Blaine Lake RCMP reported zero visibility on highways 12 and 40 and 40 to 60 vehicles were stuck. Saskatoon police responded to a 12-vehicle crash and warned drivers of deteriorating road conditions due to Monday's blizzard.